Hello students, good morning you to all. Today we are going to discussing about linkage, the remaining part of the linkage. In previous lecture, we have already discussed about what is complete linkage and what is incomplete linkage. When a test cross is made in between F1 hybrid male Drosophila with recessive female, we obtain parental combination 100%, non-parental combination 0. But when in the same test cross sex is reversed, we obtain 83% with parental combination, 17% with non-parental combination. Then why? Means this is F1 hybrid. When F1 hybrid male, particularly male, is test crossed with a recessive female, we obtain parental form 100%, non-parental form 0%. But when the sex is reversed, that means this is female and it's test crossed with a recessive male, then we obtain parental form 83%, non-parental form 17%. Parental form 83%, non-parental form 17%. But here parental form 100%, non-parental form 0%. What is the reason behind it? What is the reason that only if sex is reversed, the result is so different? Let's analyze this. Then the point is, what is then the difference between male Drosophila and female Drosophila? If this is male Drosophila, then result is this. But if that F1 hybrid is female, then result is this. What is the reason? Let's analyze. And that leads to your crossing over. This is female Drosophila. This is female Drosophila. This is male Drosophila. Let me clear your concept first, because it is your fundamental level. Here is the cell of female Drosophila, and just like in our body, in each cell there is presence of 23 pairs of chromosome. In case of Drosophila, there is presence of 4 pairs of chromosome. 4 pairs of chromosome. Capital G, small g, capital V, small v. And in male Drosophila, do same. Capital G, small g, capital V, small v. So the female Drosophila during reproduction, when provides gametes that undergoes oogenesis, what happens? And the same in male Drosophila during spermatogenesis, what happens? Let me tell you the process of gametogenesis, may be spermatogenesis and oogenesis. That process of gametogenesis occurs during meiotic cell division. Meiotic cell division. That means this cell undergo meiosis to produce haploid gamete. Haploid gamete. That phase of multiplication, phase of growth, phase of maturation. This undergoes phase of maturation, undergoes meiotic cell division and produces your haploid gamete. And we know meiosis includes meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. In meiosis 1, there is prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1. Meiosis include meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 again, prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1. This also prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2. In prophase 1, liptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin, and diakinesis. That means when these cells meiotically divides, that undergoes meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. The meiosis 1 again with prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1. In prophase 1, there is again 5 substages: liptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin, and diakinesis. So what happens here first during meiosis? Before the cell undergoes meiosis, it remains in interphase. Scatterly, the chromosomes present. Scatterly. So in prophase 1, tamane we have to discuss first meiosis 1, prophase 1, liptotin first. So in liptotin substages of prophase 1 of meiosis 1, homologous chromosome come and lie side by side. Homologous chromosome lie, here is liptotin. Homologous chromosome come and lie side by side. Suppose, and in zygotin stage, the homologous chromosomes becomes pairs of. This is chromosome A. This is chromosome B. Chromosome A and chromosome B. Liptotin. Liptotin. Here also same. In case of male Drosophila, same. Then in zygotin, homolog in liptotin substage, each chromosome consists of chromatids not distinctly visible. So this is called bivalent or dyad stage. Dyad stage. Then homologous chromosomes becomes pairs of in zygotin. This is capital G, capital V, small g, small v. Zygotin. Zygotin. Homologous chromosomes becomes pairs of called synapses. Synapses. Here also, each chromosome contains two chromatids not distinctly visible, so called dyad or bivalent stage. Bivalent stage. Then during Pachitin, each chromosome contains two chromatids that becomes visible. And in the Pachitin, crossing over occurs. What happens? One, two, three, four. 1 and 2 are two chromatids of chromosome A. 3 and 4 are two chromatids of chromosome B. Capital G, capital V. Capital G, capital V. Small g, small v. Small g, small v. Here, each chromosome means chromosome A consists of two chromatids. Also chromosome B consists of two chromatids. Now becomes clear, distinct, and is called tetravalent Pachitin substage. Tetravalent or tetrad. Tetrad. It is your Pachitin substage. It is your zygotin, it is your liptotin. So what happens of chromosome A, 1 and 2 are two chromatids, and the two chromatids are two sister chromatids. Suppose this is A1 and 2, three and 4. 1 and 2 are sister chromatid. 3 and 4 sister chromatid. 1 and 3 non-sister. 4 and 2 and 4 non-sister. Non-sister means 1 and 2 are two sister chromatids of chromosome A. 3 and 4 are two sister chromatid of chromosome B. But 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 2 and 3 and 2 and 3, 1 and 4 are two non-sister chromatids of chromosome homologous chromosome pair. So what happens during Pachitin? The exchange of segments, when pairing occurs, the segments becomes come in contact with between non-sister chromatids of a homologous pair of chromosome, and that is called chiasmata formation. Chiasmata formation. So what happens? Breakage and reunion occurs. Breakage and reunion occurs. Number one chromatid, capital G, capital V. Here, this is the segment of two chromatid. This is the segment of three chromatid. Capital G, small v, small g, capital V, small g, small v. This is 2, 1, 3, this is 3, this is 2, this is 4. So what happens? Here at the Pachitin substage of prophase 1 of meiosis 1, crossing over one event that occurs is a normal occurrence. And what is that crossing over? What happens in this phase? Exchange occur, exchange of segments occur in between two chromatids and three chromatids. Two chromatid is of A, three chromatid is of B. So 2 and 3 are the two non-sister chromatid. 2 and 3 are two non-sister chromatid. So exchange of segments in between two non-sister chromatids of homologous pair of chromosome, and that crossing over is of a rare occurrence, that is absent in male Drosophila. It is absent in male Drosophila. So, this event jodi absent, कोटा रहिला कायम ना एई जिनिस तामाने सेई जिनिस बट सेठी क्रॉसिंग ओवर डजंट अकर एंड इज ऑफ रेयर ऑकरेंस. सो एठी पिला माने मेल ड्रोसोफिला रे दी प्रकार गैमेट आसिला, कैपिटल जी कैपिटल भी, कैपिटल जी कैपिटल भी, स्मॉल जी स्मॉल भी, स्मॉल जी स्मॉल भी. स्मॉल जी स्मॉल भी. सो ए दीटारू गोटे आसीबो कैपिटल जी कैपिटल भी, ए दीटारू गोटे आसीबो स्मॉल जी स्मॉल भी. एठी तेणु पिला माने आसिला चारि प्रकार गैमेट, कैपिटल जी कैपिटल भी, कैपिटल जी स्मॉल भी, स्मॉल भी, स्मॉल जी कैपिटल भी, स्मॉल जी स्मॉल भी. एठी पिला माने किंतु आसिला कैपिटल जी कैपिटल भी, स्मॉल जी स्मॉल भी. तेणु आमे माने देखिले जेते बेले गोटे टेस्ट क्रॉस हैला F1 हाइब्रिड मेल ड्रोसोफिला सहित जो थेरे दी प्रकार गैमेट आसीथिला, आमे पाइथिले पेरेंटल फॉर्म 100 नॉन पेरेंटल 0. आमे जो पाइथिले पेरेंटल फॉर्म 100 नॉन पेरेंटल 0 एवं पेरेंटल फॉर्म 83 नॉन पेरेंटल 17, it is due to two type of gametes formed from F1 hybrid male Drosophila and 4 types of gametes formed in F1 hybrid female Drosophila. So this is the difference between, what is the reason so that same genotype combination, same genetic constitution, the male Drosophila produces 2 type of gamete, whereas in the same genotype the female Drosophila produces four type of gamete because in male Drosophila during gametogenesis, that is spermatogenesis, which occurs in meiotic cell division, in meiosis 1, in prophase 1, during Pachytene substage, the crossing over, this is called crossing over. The crossing over. Ethi present, ethi absent. This is the only reason, so that we get two type of gamete from male Drosophila, four type of gamete from female Drosophila, so that some complete linkage occurs in male Drosophila and it is a rare occurrence, and some non-parental form in case of female Drosophila test cross. Because of non-parental form we obtained, it is due to crossing over has taken place. Let's a little bit clear in that concept. Parental form, non-parental form, parental form, non-parental form. Parental form 100, non-parental form 0. Parental form 94, 96%. Parental form 87.5%, 12.5%. Parental form 83, non-parental 17. What it results? We here get certain non-parental form only due to crossing over has taken place. Parental form 100 means here linkage is complete. Complete linkage. Crossing over nil. Crossing over nil. Which has been found in case of male Drosophila. And it is a rare occurrence. Because of absence of crossing over, we get parental form in 100%. 94% parental form means linkage strength tikke komila, 94. And it is due to in 6% crossing over hela 6%. So parental form jete aste aste komibo, linkage strength sete komila. Ebong non-parental form jete aste aste बढ़िबो, crossing over frequency aste aste pila mane बढ़िबो. And for that, there are certain factors that are responsible for linkage and crossing over. Linkage pila mane linked, intimacy. Here is a chromosome. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. All these are the linked genes. All these are linked genes. But the strength of linkage in between AB is less than in between AC, in between AD, in between AE. That means ये दी जनक भितर लिंकेज स्ट्रेंथ जेते अधिक आस्ते आस्ते जेते डिस्टेंस बढ़ी बढ़ी जीव तांकर लिंकेज स्ट्रेंथ सेते कमी कमी जीव एवं डिस्टेंस दीटा लिंक जिन भितर जेते कमी कमी जीव आस्ते आस्ते तांकर स्ट्रेंथ ता सेते बढ़िबो एवं फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ क्रॉसिंग ओवर सेते कमिबो. क्रॉसिंग ओवर इज एन इवेंट. But where that crossing over nobody can say except God. आधेरे क्रॉसिंग ओवर हबो बट कोठी हबो nobody knows. So बट आमे एतिकी कहि परिबा अंतत आई दी जनक भितरे प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ occurrence of crossing over is less, not impossible but less. So linkage is indirectly inversely proportional to the distance between two linked genes. Distance between two linked gene. तामने ए दी जनक भितरे दूरता जेते बढ़िबो लिंकेज रो स्ट्रेंथ सेते कमिबो एवं दी जनक भितरे दूरता जेते कमिबो लिंकेज रो स्ट्रेंथ सेते बढ़िबो एंड क्रॉसिंग ओवर इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू डिस्टेंस between two linked gene. Linkage is inversely proportional and crossing over is directly proportional. Either linkage or crossing. 100% parental form, linkage strength maximum, complete. Crossing over 0. So parental form jete body jibo, linkage ro strength sete body jibo, crossing over ro frequency sete kami jibo. Ebong non parental form jete body jibo, frequency of crossing over sete body jibo. So pila mane factors affecting linkage गोटे हला डिस्टेंस, वन डिस्टेंस, सेकेंड योर एज, थर्ड योर सेक्स, फोर्थ योर टेम्परेचर, फिफ्थ योर एक्सरे एंड सिक्स्थ योर केमिकल्स. These 6 factors affects linkage and inversely to crossing over also. Number 1, distance. Distance between two linked gene. Distance, all are linked gene. The distance between A and J and the distance between A and B. So the distance between two linked gene is inversely proportional to the strength of linkage. तामने दीटा लिंक जिन भितर दूरता जदि कमिला ताहले लिंकेज रो स्ट्रेंथ बढ़िला, दूरता जदि बढ़िला लिंकेज रो स्ट्रेंथ कमिला, दूरता जदि बढ़िला क्रॉसिंग ओवर रो फ्रीक्वेंसी कमिला, दूरता जदि कमिला फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ क्रॉसिंग ओवर भी कमिला. नंबर 1. सो डिस्टेंस हला लिंकेज को केमिति प्रभावित करूची. इट इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू लिंक जिन. एज increasing in age increases also the strength of linkage. Linkage increases linkage. Increasing in age also increases the strength of linkage. Sex. The sex with heteromorphic sex chromosome. What does it mean? In case of human male, there is presence of X and Y chromosome and it is heteromorphic. But in case of human female, this is XX. Human female is homomorphic, human male is heteromorphic. So it has been found that the sex with heteromorphic sex chromosome, जहाँ पाखरे दीटा अलगा अलगा sex chromosome, ता पाखरे linkage रो strength maximum. The sex with heteromorphic sex chromosome has stronger linkage group as compared to other sex. Temperature. Variation in temperature as well as increase in temperature decreases the strength of linkage. Increasing in age, increasing in linkage, but in varying in temperature as well as increasing in age, temperature decrease in linkage. X-ray. X-ray weakens the linkage but favors crossing over. गोटे मेल ड्रोसोफिला जोटी क्रॉसिंग ओवर होउनी आमे जदि ता ऊपर एक्सरे प्रयोग करिबा सेठी देखा जाईची क्रॉसिंग ओवर हेइची ता माने X-ray favors crossing over but weakens the linkage, and certain chemicals changes the linkage and crossing over variously. So this is factor affecting linkage and crossing over. Again, there are certain linkage group, chromosomal theory of linkage, and arrangement of linked genes. Arrangement of linked genes. A linked genes can have two type of arrangement. One is cis arrangement, another is trans arrangement. One is cis arrangement, another is trans arrangement. What is cis arrangement? Dominant allele of both the gene present over one chromosome, whereas their respective recessive allele present over other, that is cis arrangement. Dominant allele of one chromosome, dominant allele of both the gene present over one chromosome, their respective recessive allele present over other, whereas in case of trans arrangement, dominant of one, recessive of other, dominant of one, recessive of other, and their reverse arrangement present over its homology, that is a trans arrangement. So linked gene can have two type of arrangement. They have arranged in two ways. One is a cis arrangement, another is a trans arrangement. In case of cis arrangement, dominant allele of both the gene present over one chromosome, their respective recessive allele present over other, its homologous partner. Whereas in case of trans arrangement, dominant of one, recessive of other, and their reverse arrangement present over its homologous partner. Next, the linkage group. Linkage group पिला माने कौन? That the groups of linearly arranged gene present over one chromosome. This is one linkage group. All the genes present over one chromosome is called linked genes, and they are recognized as one linkage group. So linkage group means they are the group of linearly arranged genes present over one chromosome. And the linkage group of an organism is the total number of gene, the total number of homologous pair of chromosome. We are having 23 pairs of homologous chromosome. So linkage group in human being is 23. In garden pea, it is 7. In Drosophila, it is 4. But in case of human male, it is 24. Remember it. Because in case of human male, there is 22 pairs of homologous chromosome, but another pair of non-homologous chromosome. X is not homologous to Y. So the gene present over one X chromosome, that is one linkage group, and the genes present over Y chromosome are also another linkage group. So linkage group is the number of linkage group in an organism is the number of homologous chromosome present in that organism. And there is a chromosomal theory of linkage, which is we have already discussed in concept of gene. The chromosomal theory of linkage postulated by Morgan and Castle. जोटा आमे already कहिचे, linked genes are arranged in a linear order, their position is fixed, etc., etc. So, students, this is all about your linkage and crossing over. Thank you.